Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily make payments on Temu using your iPhone. It is a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Temu app on your home screen. Now tap on it. Now start shopping. Browse through all the categories and add the items you want to buy to your cart. Tap on the item and hit Add to Cart. Once you are done shopping, tap the cart icon in the bottom right corner. Now review everything you have selected. Now click the checkout button. Make sure you have already filled out the address. Here comes the payment part. Temu offers several ways to pay. You can use a credit card, debit card, PayPal or even Apple Pay. Now select one payment method. After selecting it, go ahead with the payment process, which is required for the specific payment method that you choose. And that's it. You will receive an order confirmation email and can track your items directly in the app. So there you go. That's how you can easily make payments on Temu using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.